This is Salah. She's about 4 weeks old, I think. She hatched just about a week before I got her. So she's not too great at the climbing thing yet, but she's an albino coral snow corn snake. She's my littlest, and the second one I got.